Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. Today I'm here with a brand new signal, and today's live signal is going to be on a really famous currency named GBPUSD, aka British Pound per US dollar. So without any more time to waste, let's head to the calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on our calendar, currently what I can understand from all of this details is that currently the sellers are stronger than the buyers, and with all the negative grading that this currency is taking for this week and for next week, perhaps strongly, we are going to expect that the price of it will soon experience a downfall. And as I'm watching high impact news, I'm seeing a lot of negative impacts that are going to help us with our trade. But as you all know me, I don't believe in news, so let's head to the chart and see what we have. Let's go. Okay, now that we're on our chart, as always, I have pre-drawn some zones for you. The blue zone is our trading zone. The red zone is a resistance zone, but it's going to act like a support to our selling trade. And the green zone is a support zone, but it is a resistance to our trade. So we're actually going to analyze our trade and then decide where to put our TPs. Okay, what I'm seeing here is that recently the price of GBPUSD has taken two equal lows, and as I've said before, equal lows hold a lot of liquidity and money below them. So this push to the downside actually gives the price a negative or actually bearish momentum that is going to help it to fall further down. So what I can expect from it is that if we are going to set our TPs, I expect I expect the price to come down, hit our first TP, which is the support right below here, then give us a little bit of a pullback to the upside, and then it will continue its fall to the downside. So that's it. What I always want from you is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this more beautiful for you guys. Enjoy. Okay guys, now that we have this beautiful signal, I hope you have enjoyed it. Have a good time and peace.